Oh, new model review. So soon. Wasn't expecting these to come in anytime soon. The Warship Voyager from the, if I remember correctly, the episode Living Witness season 5, I believe it was. Season 5 or 6. And the racing ship. Where's the race? I really don't know the name for it. Yeah, just the racing ship. From season 7 episode Drive. If I'm recalling correctly. So, let's get started. As you can see, the Warship Voyager. In the episode, the Warship Voyager was essentially a distortion of Voyager, because the information that they had wasn't particularly accurate and was rather distorted. So they ended up thinking this is what Voyager looked like. It was an interesting episode of the Doctor trying to prove his innocence, because he was innocent, and the innocence of his crew, or his crewmates. And when we're heading out to see, we're heading out to Earth to see how things really went, if Voyager ever got home. And he tried to get home himself. As you can see, this is essentially a retool of the Voyager model that we've gotten at least twice. It's not bad. It's definitely an interesting take on Voyager's look, especially all these parts on it. It makes it look quite vicious. You'd imagine this as being more like a Miller Universe kind of ship. It's not bad. The diecast is pretty much just in the saucer. And the stand pretty much notes that it's really supposed to be kind of pricked in here, but I found this to be much more secure. So I just went with that. Yeah, it is a nice model. Voyager never looked so vicious. Down to the relationship. If I can recall in the episode correctly, Drive, season 7, the Delta Flyer was rebuilt following its destruction at the end of season 6 by the Borg during the Unimatrix 0 Part 1. And there's also the episode where Tom Paris and B'Elanna finally got married. Yeah, it is a nice model. There is light piping here. I'm not sure if it's really showing, because there's not a good deal of sun, since winter's fast on the way, as usual. Oddly enough, it kind of makes me think of like a spider. Oddly enough. You've got like the head and you've got the thorax. Like a spider or an ant. It's definitely kind of insect-like design. It's not bad. There's some die-cast here and a little here. It's not a huge amount. It's not bad. I do quite like it. So, that's both models, and, they're pretty good. The Warship Voyager looks brutal. You can just imagine it in the Miller Universe. The relationship is quite an interesting design, almost insect-like. like maybe like a spider or an ant. Definitely an interesting take. Oh, they're good models. And it's good that they finally arrived. These models were due last month, but there was a delay. Let's be up to date now. This is Irina signing off on another video for the time being.